That was good.
I'd like to raise the sails again, watching for the whales again, and never have to say I wish that I had done the things that I can't do when I'm too old to play.
Well, I've been lamenting the fact that I don't really have a bounty of water. And every place I've been so far, the Abacos and Nassau, I've figured out some place to get water, some place that someone's got a spigot or something, but here I have not figured that out yet. And I've got bed sheets that need washing, and clothes and towels, and so much stuff. These cushions need to get doused with fresh water, get the salt out. And I was thinking, well, I'll wait until I get someplace where I figure out where I can find some water. But it occurred to me that house that you saw, that ruin of that house over there, that house has a cistern that's full of water. Now, I might not want to drink that water, but I can sure do some laundry in it. So I'm going to go over there with buckets, soap, and all my stuff and have at it. All right, we are here. Managed to wash everything I had. I'm bringing back 2 buckets of water to wash off the cockpit cushions, which are a bit salted up. And it looks like the first day we got to the Bahamas. Looking like a bum boat. Well, it's a sad day. We're gonna leave. We're gonna leave this little paradise and head south to Allen Key, actually. But I know I have not seen the last of this little special place. It's been 7 days now, and I've had it all to myself for 7 days. Save for those one little moments when the Germans came in their dinghies. And that was fun to meet them anyway, so it's been perfect. But onward, it's time. Here we go. I'll be back. Be empty when I get here. Allen Key is on the left and Leaf Key is on the right. Leaf Key has a population of rare and endangered pink faced iguanas. Well, we've got a nice wind from over here, sort of brought off the beam, but I've only got a little scrap of jib out, and the reason is there's a bunch of rain up there and a bunch of rain over there, and I really don't want to catch up to it. I'm all topped up with water. I don't need to catch water right this second, so I don't feel like getting doused. Simple as that. Well, the plan didn't work very well. The rain found us anyway. Well, I had planned to go all the way to Allen Keys, which are the islands right over there, but there's a ton of boats in there for one, and for two, that rainstorm kind of kicked up, and all I wanted to do was get in the lee of someplace. So we are at the bottom of Long Rock Key, which is just above the Allen Keys where the iguanas are. So I think I'll take the dinghy over and hop onto this Long Rock and have a little walkabout up there. That's a sharp, jaggedy landing. Looks a lot like many of the treeless high latitude places like Newfoundland, the Hebrides, etc. As you can see, the swells are coming at the boat from astern, which is fine. When the ends of the boat lift in swells, that's comfortable. When the swells come from the side and the boat rolls, that's uncomfortable. But the wind is coming from here, the side, And the reason we're not hanging to the anchor directly from the wind is because I've put a bridle here and I have the anchor line coming to the side of the boat, not the front. And so the boat is hanging sideways to the wind. And that is giving us our comfortable motion. We're only going a short distance, but why not sail it? It's a beautiful anchorage, and this is Iguana Beach. See if you like that. Don't chomp my hand. No, there you go. Hey, not my hand. Don't be a pig. You're good at this. Yes, that's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. Nicely done. Bless you. Here's how it feels to be my fingers. That was good. I didn't realize it at the time, but the bird you hear wanted something also. Hey, little buddy. Had I known, I would have brought something for him. They occur nowhere else on Earth. Iguanas are the largest native land animals in the Bahamas. Did you hear that? You're the largest. You're the largest, pal. There are only about 1,300 left in the wild. Well, there you have it. The iguanas of Leaf Key. From the beach to the left of the Iguana Beach, there's a path that goes across to the ocean side and another gorgeous crescent beach. I hear you in there, iguanas. The path itself is so much fun because you get this sudden view of the water and the color, and it just takes your breath away every time. All right, I have to admit, there's people here, but it's not bad. Not bad at all. But if two charter catamarans came in, where do you suppose they would anchor? If you guessed here and here, you'd be wrong. They anchored here and here. Because that's what charter cats do. So I moved over to the cove you see with the beach. And I had more visitors. What's not to like about birds landing on your boat and looking for a handout? Come back here and clean this up. Well, we've left Allen and Leaf Key and the iguanas behind us there, as you can see. Trust me, that's what it is. And we're headed to, I think it's called Long Key. It's a real long, narrow key, not unlike some of the ones back up here, but there's another set of islands that kind of trap a body of water, make it nice and protected with some nice reefs, snorkeling. It's supposed to be pretty empty. So, sounds good. We'll check it out. Not a ton of wind, as you can see. But that's okay. We're not in a hurry. That enclosed area of water was very shallow, and they ended up anchoring west of it all, and it became a bit of a random anchorage. So I made do with the last of the sun by reading in the side deck. This guy's got it going on. That long beach is a double-sided beach. I did eventually suss out how to anchor in this area, but it wasn't until I was working my way back north. And as I read, I'll leave you with an original Muriel tune inspired by an interlude in Beethoven's Ninth Symphony.
And I took that little interlude and slowed it way down, changed it to the key of G, changed it to 3/4 time, and turned it into a tremolo piece.